Matt Parker Tutorial Services here again today. My microphone is being very temperamental at the moment and I don't understand why. Never mind. We're here to help students with the coursework, here to help teachers with their admin, and one of these days, by getting it right, here to help businesses get those IT systems off the ground without being ripped off by big companies. Now, in previous lessons, he said, speaking more slowly, speaking calmly, we looked at validating the postcode on a Microsoft Access table, and we looked at doing that by customizing the input mask. And as you can see here, I've got this customized so that we can follow the rules. Now, the rules are on a postcode in the UK, unless it's a military depot or something like that, that it's 1 or 2 letters followed by 1 or 2 numbers, followed by a number, and then letter. Okay, now we've got this set up, and obviously you can get the system for free as always by just clicking the Dropbox link. You don't need a Dropbox account, okay? Just click on the X and download the file if you need it. Now, I'm going to make a query now which will allow me to get the nearest match. Now you'll notice if I open up this table, I've got a range of postcodes. Now I might not know anything beyond the first or second letter, and the idea is that your user can just put the first couple of characters in, whatever they are, and it will get the nearest match, okay, because they might not always know the postcode of the customer. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a query using the wizard. Now that's design view, but it's the wizard because we're not using SQL, right guys? So I'm going to click on the relevant table and click close. Now I'm going to put in some details of the fields that I want. Now in here, in previous lessons, you've looked at using the parameter query, which allows you to prompt the user to put something in and it'll find an exact match. You've also looked at using the like command where it gets the nearest match. What we're going to do is combine the two. So we're going to start out with like, and then we're going to open the square brackets, which shows me that we're starting our parameter side of the query. So that message is exactly what will appear to the user. We're then going to use Shift and 7 to put in an ampersand, Shift and 2 for speech marks, Shift and 8 for an asterisk, which is a wildcard, and Shift and 2 again for the speech marks. Okay, and what that'll do is it will find postcodes with the nearest match. So I'm going to run that query. Okay, and as usual, when you rush things, something's gone wrong. Okay, and I'm just going to quickly check it. Okay, and it's because I did not use the square brackets there. So please remember, guys, square brackets. Okay, run the query. I put in a G, and it will find the nearest match. If I pop that back into design view again, and I run it again, this time I might know the first couple of characters, and it'll find the nearest match. Now I'm going to leave this screen on here so that you can see that formula working. So it's like square brackets, enter postcode, close the square brackets, ampersand, speech marks, asterisk, speech marks, and that will help you and your businesses when your end user doesn't know all the postcode, find the nearest match. And that's it, guys. Okay, don't forget to like and share, spread the love. Matt Parker Tutorial Services, there to help teachers with the coursework, or rather students with the coursework, there to help teachers with their admin, and there to help businesses get those IT systems off the ground without being ripped off by big companies. That's it. Thank you for listening.